Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva's AI image generator. So here I am on my Canva's home screen. So what you want to do is scroll down a bit and click on DreamLab. It's a fairly new feature that Canva recently added. So once you click on DreamLab, this page is going to pop up. So here at the top, you'll see how many credits you have remaining. Each time you click on create, 1 credit will be deducted. So here you can then enter a prompt. So for this example, I'm going to say clown with a balloon in New York City. That's going to take a couple seconds to generate. And here now we have 4 options I can choose from. If you're not happy with those options, you can improve the prompt or simply click on create again. Now you also have some options here below. If you click on add image, you can upload an image if you want Canva to generate a similar style. They also have some other reference options that will be coming very soon. If you click on smart, you also have some options where you can choose the style of the image you want generated, whether it's a vector, minimalistic image, and then you also have the option to choose the aspect ratio. Now, there's also another way you can use Canva's AI image generator. So let's say you're working on a project and you want to quickly generate an AI image. You can scroll on a bit and click on Magic Media. Here you can also generate not just AI images, but also AI videos and graphics. You can choose what style you want, although you won't have the option to upload a reference file from here. So you simply enter a prompt and you'll be able to generate an image or a video. And that's how to use Canva's AI image generator.